This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Samsung Internet and going straight to Settings so you can clear data precisely. Tap the three-line menu icon, then choose Settings. This gets you to privacy controls where history and site data live. Make sure you're signed into the correct profile or account before continuing, because clearing history affects the current user. Once in Settings, find Privacy and Security. This is the control center for clearing browsing history, cookies, and cache without affecting other apps. Once you open Delete Browsing Data, you'll see granular options: history, cached images, cookies and site data, saved form data, and more. Select each item you want removed. Usually history and cookies clean the traces you see most. Next, pick a time range: last hour, 24 hours, last 7 days, or all time. Choose all time to fully purge. If you want to keep logins, uncheck saved passwords before clearing. Then tap Delete to begin the removal process. After you confirm delete, wait a few seconds for Samsung Internet to remove items. A progress indicator may appear. Once done, close and restart the browser so caches refresh and the UI reflects the cleared history. If entries still show, go to Android Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Samsung Internet, right arrow Storage, then clear data as a deeper reset. Note this removes settings and saved data. Also check sync in the app. Make sure sync is off or clear synced history from your linked account if items reappear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.